Hi Gina. We are on the way to Rodeo Drive to check out the lives of the rich and famous. And yeah, this is the iconic sign. We're gonna try to get a photo here. Pizza store to get some pizza, and we're about to eat. The walls are aligned with signed. Oh, nice! And they all signed it too. This must be a popular pizza spot. The name of this pizza spot is called Mulberry Street Pizzeria. Rodeo Drive. Bentley parked on the road. So this is Rodeo Drive. So let's make it. What store is that?
What are you doing here?
Here we are at hmart.
Thank you.
We are at hmart in Koreatown, Los Angeles. Gina's mom is still in. First thing she wants to do is come to hmart because she wants to cook for us. So we're getting a bunch of ingredients. Is that ready?
Yay! What do you have so far now? Show me.
We have tofu to make it's a soybean paste soup called this is jajangmyeon, my favorite. Persimmons,
apple. What do you think about this hmart compared to the ones back at home?
The one at home is kind of like a boombox. And green onions. Spinach. Alright, lead the way. You want me to fix it? You want it? Oh. Blue. Thank you. Here we are at Baekjeong. This is kimchi pajeon, I think. 된장찌개, squash, brisket, some more meat. Gina's good?
Mom, look, you're famous.
Hello! Here we are at the U House. And Gina's mom has blessed us with this delicious meal. Gina, you want to tell us what we're having for dinner?
Rice.
Korean rice, purple rice. It's purple because there's a special dark green that goes into it. Marinated or seasoned radish. Very similar to kimchi. It's in Korean, it's called chonggak kimchi. Teriyaki salmon, pickled cucumber, pickled perilla leaves or 깻잎, Super excited. Okay, what am I trying first?
Rice and 총각 kimchi.
총각 kimchi? Okay. Mmm.
김치 너무 맛있지?
That's really good. Wow.
Good.
이거 드세요.
Lord, we thank you for this meal. We thank you for Gina's mom preparing such a lovely dinner for us. Lord, we thank you for Gina's new car. And we just pray that you continue to watch over us, bless us, guide us. Watch over Gina's dad in Florida, Gina's family in New York. Thank you, Jesus, and pray, amen. Jackie, salmon. Wow. I miss this so much.
Okay. Is it good?
Oh, it's like I'm at a restaurant. Spinach soup. How is the soup?
Nice.
It's good.
Yeah. Maybe you got the same.
Nah,
You went for it?
not too good for it, but I want something a little punchier.
이거 갖고 싶다. 맛있어요?
Oh my gosh. Wow. Nah. You want to share with your mom or you want your own?
Yeah, 하나 해보시고.
Share with her? Okay. Have this one. Cheers.
Yeah. Thanks, Mom. Okay, this is day 2. We're having what's it called? Korean chun. I know how to make it. That 총각 kimchi is bomb. Bomb.com. Yes. She says fire. You learned that from